is Latte, my cute little toy poodle. After a long day full of playing, running around and being unbelievably adorable, Latte is finally ready to sleep. Those big shiny eyes are getting heavier and heavier. The tiny paws are slowly relaxing, and the fluffy ears are softly resting down. Latte finds the coziest spot, curls up into the smallest fluffy ball, and lets out the cutest sleepy sigh. With every quiet breath, Latte drifts deeper into a warm, peaceful sleep, dreaming about yummy treats, squeaky toys, and tomorrow's fun adventures. Good night, sweet Latte. Sleep tight and have the sweetest dreams, little